Good morning, students. Myself, Sri K.D. Borse sir, biology subject teacher. In last lecture, we detail discuss inheritance and variation chapter, content, concept, deviation from Mendel's finding, new Mendelian genetics, observe gene interaction term. Types of gene interaction consist of first intragenic gene interaction consist of incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple allele. Also second intergenic interaction. Now today we learn intergenic interaction consist of pleiotropy. So let us start today's concept. New Mendelian genetics, observe gene interaction. We know type of gene interaction consist of first intragenic interaction or interallelic interaction. Gene interaction occurs, alleles of the same gene, such interaction called as intragenic interaction. Example, incomplete dominance, codominance. Also gene interaction occurs, multiple allele series of a gene. Example, multiple alleles. So incomplete dominance, codominance and multiple alleles are the examples of intragenic interaction. Now intergenic interaction means gene interaction occurs, alleles of the different genes present on same or different chromosome called as intergenic interaction consist of example pleiotropy, polygenes, epistasis, supplementary and complementary genes. In our syllabus, total 4 concepts are include incomplete dominance, codominance and multiple alleles are intragenic interaction and pleiotropy is intergenic interaction. So we detail discuss all 4 concept. In that first 3 concept we detail discuss in previous lecture. Today we detail discuss pleiotropy and one more example of multiple allele. What is actually incomplete dominance? When both the allele or gene express themselves partially in F1 generation, such condition called as incomplete dominance. You know example of incomplete dominance, flower color of Mirabilis jalapa. Codominance is second term. What is codominance? When both allele or gene express themselves equally in F1 generation, such condition called as codominance. Best example in codominance, cattle coat colors. And third one is multiple allele. What is multiple allele? More than 2 alleles of a gene in a population occupy the same locus on a chromosome. Such condition called as multiple allele. And in multiple allele, best example we detail discuss previous lecture, Drosophila is one of the fruit fly. And another good example multiple allele is ABO blood grouping in human beings. So today we detail discuss ABO blood grouping in human beings is one of the best example of multiple alleles. Another good example of multiple allele is ABO blood group in human beings. The gene capital I control ABO blood groups. You know blood groups are A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group and O blood group. So all blood groups are controlled by gene capital I. Gene capital I has three alleles: capital I, capital A, capital I, capital B and small I. These three alleles are included in gene capital I. We know humans are diploid organisms, so each person present any two alleles. From these three alleles, any two alleles are present every person, because human being is diploid organism. Allele capital I, capital A code for type A blood group. Allele capital I, capital B code for type B blood group. Allele small I code for type O blood group. Always remember, capital I, capital A allele code for A blood group, capital I, capital B allele code for B blood group, and small I allele code for O blood group. Allele capital I, capital A dominant over small I, so small I is recessive. Allele capital I, capital B dominant over small I, so here also small I is recessive. Allele capital I, capital A, capital I, capital B are codominant. You know, in codominant both alleles express equally. Means when A, capital I, capital A, capital I, capital B alleles present in a blood, so the person blood group is AB. Now allele small I is recessive. So all these expressions seen in ABO blood group: dominant, codominant and recessive. There are 6 different genotypes and only 4 different phenotypes. Genotype, phenotype blood groups. When phenotype A blood group, its genotype is noted capital I, capital A, capital I, capital A pair, or capital I, capital A, small I pair. When phenotype B means blood group B, its genotype is noted capital I, capital B, capital I, capital B, or capital I, capital B, small I pairing. When phenotype AB, that is blood group AB, its genotype is noted capital I, capital A, capital I, capital B. And when blood group O, phenotype O, its genotype small I, small I. Always remember, genotype and phenotype. Here, if the person has A blood group, its genotype noted may be this pair or this pair. B blood group, here also 2 pairing noted, may be this pair or this pair. AB blood group only capital I, A, capital I, B genotype. O blood group small I, small I. Now, blood group and its inheritance. When here father and here mother, phenotype, genotype, phenotype, genotype, and produce child phenotype is what is actual. Here seen father phenotype A means father have A blood group, its genotype here noted. Capital I, capital A, capital I, capital A pair or capital I, capital A, small I. Mother also A blood group, same genotype noted here. So when father A blood group and mother is also A blood group, its child phenotype or child blood group is A blood group and O blood group only. Why it is A blood group? Capital I, capital A pair with another genotype capital I, capital A, that is A blood group. Also capital I, capital A and small I, another genotype combined to form A blood group. When both small I here combine O blood group. So if A blood group, father A blood group, mother its produce child blood group may be A and O. Second, AB blood group, father A blood group, mother its child phenotype or child blood group may be A blood group or B blood group or AB blood group. Here A blood group means capital I, capital A combined with capital I, capital A, or capital I, capital A, small I, also A blood group. Same capital I, capital B, capital I, capital B and small I, B blood group. Capital I, capital A, capital I, capital B, AB blood group. So when father AB blood group, mother A blood group, produce child blood group may be A, B, AB. Next, when father O blood group, father small I genotype, mother also O blood group, small I genotype. So its child blood group is also O because small I is from mother and father. So child blood group is O. When father O blood group, mother A blood group produce child A blood group child or O blood group child. So A blood group father genotype capital I, capital A, capital I, capital A pairing or capital I, capital A, small I pairing. So here noted 4 examples: mother and father phenotype, genotype, blood group produce child phenotype noted here. Up to this we detail discuss ABO blood groups in human beings is one of the multiple allele example. We know multiple allele consist of 2 main example. One is Drosophila fruit fly seen wing abnormality and another one is ABO blood group in human beings. So intragenic interaction consists of 3 terms: one incomplete dominance, second codominance and third multiple alleles. Always remember in multiple allele 2 example, one is Drosophila and another one is ABO blood group in human beings. Now today's second main concept, pleiotropy, is including intergenic interaction. What is pleiotropy? When a single gene control two or more different triad, such gene called as pleiotropic gene, and the phenomenon called as pleiotropy or pleiotropism. Always remember the phenotypic ratio is 1:2 instead of 3:1 because of the death of recessive homozygote. How 1:2 ratio is balanced instead of 3:1 we detail discuss. Example, in disease like sickle cell anemia is caused by a gene HBS. Sickle cell anemia is one of the genetic disease. So this disease is caused due to HB genes, means hemoglobin, sickle cell anemia gene. So due to sickle cell anemic gene present in the blood, so in the blood RBC cell shape is look like half moon shape, so it is called as sickle cell anemia. Normal or healthy gene HBA is dominant. When person with homozygous HBA gene, the person is normal from sickle cell anemia. Means those person normal from sickle cell anemia has HBA genes. Normal or healthy gene, always remember HBA pair. The carrier heterozygote, that is HBA HBS, show signs mild anemia. You know, anemia is deficiency of hemoglobin or iron. Due to mild anemia, very poor condition takes place, like oxygen carrying capacity is very less, also CO2 carrying capacity is also less due to deficiency of hemoglobin. Mild anemia, RBC becomes sickle shape, that is half moon shape, only under the abnormally low O2 concentration. Seen here diagrammatic representation, normal RBC shape, and here seen sickle cell anemic RBC means half moon shape RBCs. Seen here, all these are the sickle cell RBCs. Due to sickle cell RBC, hemoglobin is very less in it, so less hemoglobin in it, less oxygen and CO2 carrying capacity. The homozygote with recessive gene, that is HBS, however, die because total anemia. Thus, the gene of sickle cell anemia is lethal in homozygous condition. What is lethal gene? Gene with cause death of the bearer. So such gene called as lethal gene. And sickle cell triad in heterozygous carrier. So here sickle cell anemia is lethal in homozygous condition and sickle cell triad in heterozygous carrier. So single gene control two or more different triad. One of the best example is a marriage between two carriers, male person is carrier, also female person also carrier, will produce one normal children, two carrier childrens, and one sickle cell anemic children. So its ratio is denoted 1:2, 2:1. As sickle cell anemic die, so living carriers and normals ratio 1:2, means the phenotypic ratio is 1:2 instead of 3:1, because sickle cell anemic die, the heterozygote or carriers can be identified by the microscopic examination of blood. Always remember, microscopic examination of blood identify heterozygote means sickle cell anemic person or carrier person or normal person of sickle cell anemia. Graphic representation of pleiotropy, sickle cell anemia, parents phenotype, sickle cell carrier cross with sickle cell carrier, means male person sickle cell carrier cross with female person sickle cell carrier. Its sickle cell carrier person genotype always HbA, HbS, same another sickle cell carrier HbA, HbS. So at the time of gamete formation, both gametes separated from each other. HbA is one of the gamete, HbS is another gamete, same another sickle cell carrier HbA and HbS gametes are separated when one person sickle cell carrier HbA gamete combined with another person sickle cell carrier HbA gamete. Its genotype is HbA, HbA. So the produce offspring phenotype is normal. So this is the normal child produced from sickle cell carrier father and sickle cell carrier mother produce one normal offspring. Now one sickle cell carrier gamete, another sickle cell carrier gamete, so HbA combined with HbS. So this genotype is sickle cell carrier child. So here produce sickle cell carrier children. Now HbA is one gamete from one sickle cell carrier person, and HbS another gamete from another sickle cell carrier person combined to form HbA, HbS, and its phenotype is also sickle cell carrier. So two sickle cell carriers produced from sickle cell carrier cross with sickle cell carrier male female person. Now HbS is one of the gamete combined with another HbS gamete. So phenotypic character is sickle cell anemic. So one normal children produce, two sickle cell carrier children produce, and one sickle cell anemic children produce from the cross in between sickle cell male person carrier cross with sickle cell female person. Seen here, one normal child, two sickle cell carrier childs and 1 sickle cell anemic child. You know, sickle cell anemic child is die or death. So the phenotypic ratio is 1:2 instead of 3:1. Up to this we detail discuss. Sickle cell anemia is one of the best example of pleiotropy. Now review today's topics. You know, new Mendelian genetics contain gene interaction is one of the term consist of intragenic and intergenic interaction. In intragenic interaction, incomplete dominance, codominance and multiple alleles are the best examples. And in multiple allele, 2 examples are seen: one Drosophila, a fruit fly, and another ABO blood group in human being. We detail discuss today's lecture. Also, intergenic interaction is one of the type of gene interaction consist of pleiotropy, and in pleiotropy we detail discuss today's sickle cell anemia concept. So today we detail discuss all this concept. On the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question note. What is pleiotropy? Yes, when single gene control 2 or more different traits, such gene called as pleiotropic gene, and the phenomena called as pleiotropy or pleiotropism. What is lethal gene? Those gene causes death of the bearer, such gene called as lethal gene. How are RBC changed due to sickle cell anemia? You know, RBC cell shape is changed to sickle cell, means half moon shape. Such RBC called as sickle cell anemic RBC. What are the 2 example of multiple alleles? Drosophila fruit fly and ABO blood groups in human beings. Gene located on the same locus but show more than 2 different phenotypes are called as polygene, codominance, multiple allele, pleiotropic gene. The correct answer is multiple allele, gene located on same locus but show more than 2 different phenotypes. When phenotypic and genotypic ratio are the same, then it is example of complete dominance, incomplete dominance, multiple alleles, cytoplasmic inheritance. The correct answer is incomplete dominance, show phenotypic and genotypic ratio is same. When single gene produce 2 effect and one of it is lethal, then the ratio is 2:1, 1:2, 1:1, 1:2:1 and 1:1:1:1. The correct answer is 2:1. Now fill in the blanks. Blood groups and its inheritance: father phenotype genotype, mother phenotype genotype produce child phenotype. When A blood group father, A blood group mother produce child blood group A, or O Second, B blood group, father. Mother blood group is also B, so its child may be B or O. A blood group, father. Here noted genotypes: A blood group. B blood group, mother. Noted genotypes. Its child may be A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, or O blood group. O blood group, father, small I, small I. A blood group, mother, capital I, capital A, capital I, capital A, pair, or capital I, capital A, small I, produce child blood group A or O. B blood group, father, A blood group, mother, produce B blood group or O blood group, child. O blood group, father, O blood group, mother, O blood group, child, produce AB blood group, father, A blood group, mother, so produce child blood group is A blood group, AB blood group, and B blood group. AB blood group, father genotype, capital I, capital A, capital I, capital B. O blood group, mother, small I, small I, so its child blood group is AB. AB blood group, father. AB blood group, mother, so AB blood group, mother genotype is small capital I, capital A, capital I, capital B. Child blood group is A, B, and AB. AB blood group, father. B blood group, mother, so produce child blood group may be A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group. Fill the following genotypes about sickle cell anemia. Normal sickle cell anemia person genotype HbA, HbA. Carrier sickle cell anemia person HbA, HbS. Sickle cell anemic person HbS, HbS. So today's lecture here completed. If you like the video, you can subscribe my YouTube bioinfo channel, tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.